guys, welcome back. Today's video is all about testing out new makeup. I'm gonna be trying on a couple products that I got in the month of May. Some of these products are not new. They're new in the sense that I recently got them, or new in the sense that they were released a month or two ago, but I never tried it out on the channel for you guys. I'm gonna be trying out the Fenty Beauty bronzer as well as the Fenty Beauty blushes. I did get Daiquiri Deep and Summertime Wine. I also got the Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown and a couple other new products. So if you're interested in seeing what these products look like, then stick around. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to go ahead and subscribe and join the fam. And if you do enjoy this video or videos like this, please make sure to give this video a like. And if that's all done, let's just jump right into the video. Now, the first product I'd like to show you guys, and I think you guys should actually look into getting this pencil and trying it out. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil. I got this in dark brown. It pretty much just has a spoolie on one end, and on the other hand you have the pencil. You can easily do your brows with this. This has cut down the amount of time I spend doing my brows, and you can draw or make very believable hair strokes with this pencil. So I really do recommend this. I am so glad that I got it. I got the value set, so these two come for about $34, I believe, Canadian. It's a clear brow gel. There's really nothing to it, but the formula is amazing. My brows stay on all day. So now that I've given you guys a rundown on this pencil, I'm just gonna quickly go in and fill my brows. I'm gonna speed up through this process because I already have a brow tutorial. My technique hasn't changed. All that's changed is this pencil. To shape up my brows, I'm gonna be using this concealer from LA Girl. This one's called Fawn. For my eyes today, I'm gonna be using this palette from Violet Voss. It's the Violet Voss Essentials. I don't know how new this palette is, but if I were to guess, I'd say this palette isn't a new palette. I got this from Boxycharm. It's a monthly subscription. I pay about $41 Canadian and I get about 5 or 6 items a month. You can pretty much switch up your preference. You could either get skincare and makeup, or skincare only, or just makeup only. I do have some swatches here. This is what the first row looks like, and this is the second row. But let's get into it. I'm just gonna start off by priming my eyes, going in with the brown with cinnamon, and I'm just gonna take that right into my crease. Now for transition, I'm gonna be using terracotta. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease. I'm gonna be using the same Plouise base. Okay, for my lids, I think I'm gonna use Dusty Rose, which is this one. Okay, I'm just gonna go back in a little bit with cinnamon. So I went ahead and applied some lashes off camera. These lashes are from Amazon, I believe. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box as well if you guys are interested. I think I'm just gonna line the band of the lashes. I'm not gonna do a wing line or anything. Going back to the palette, I'm gonna be using Emerald, which is this beautiful green. I just think it's so pretty to not touch, so I'm gonna use that under my eyes. Okay, I think we got it in there. It's actually a really beautiful green. I wish I could put it, I wanted to put it on my lid, but I just decided not to. I just don't feel like a smoky eye or anything too overly powerful today, which is kind of weird. I'm gonna go in with mascara. I'm gonna be using this one from L'Oreal. It's the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. I already did my upper lashes, so I'm just gonna do the bottom ones now. I don't really like any of the colors in here for inner tear duct. Actually, I think we can use the pink. Let's use the pink. It's actually called pink, which is weird. I'm gonna be using this one. I think that is actually prettier than I expected it to be. So yeah, this palette is not all that bad. Again, it's not the most pigmented, but you could certainly create a few everyday or very subtle but beautiful looks with this palette. Would I go out there and just purchase this on my own? No. So we're gonna move on to the interesting stuff. Just gonna dust my under eyes here just to make sure. Okay, I just decided to set around my mouth area. I know I look a little bit cray-cray, but this part just creases like nobody's business. So I find that, you know, color correcting and just setting it a little longer kind of helps with the creasing. So I'm just gonna leave that there, and we're gonna move on to some other new stuff that I got. Now we're gonna move on to the Fenty cream bronzer and cream blushes. I know you guys have already seen the review. These products are everywhere. Everybody knows about the new Fenty release. I did get mine late, and when I say late, very, very late. When I first saw the release, I was like, cream what now? Cream blushes? I don't know about that, sis. I'm just really getting into bronzers as well. So cream bronzers, I was like, nope, I'm not ready. We're gonna start with the Fenty bronzer. This one's in chocolate. I really love this packaging. It also has a mirror. Can everybody just put a mirror in their palettes, bronzers, whatever it is? I don't know, I think I'm a mirror collector. No, I just like everything to come with a little compact mirror. It just makes stuff handy, right? Let's get into this. Let's try it out. Now, I personally love any product that makes my skin look glowy. Anything that makes me look fresh, makes me look younger. And that's what this bronzer does for me. I don't know. Do you guys see what I'm talking about? Do you see the glow, like the highlight there? And it's not like it just looks that way on camera, like in person, like just looking at myself in the mirror, I'm like, whoa. Now, I know it's not as red as most bronzers. It's not as red as the Tanto cream bronzer. I'm gonna show you guys what that one looks like. Let me just quickly grab it. This is Tanto, and this is the Fenty bronzer. Now, Tanto is redder, it's deeper, but I think on my skin, I do prefer the Fenty. If I was to choose an everyday bronzer that I'd wear out, I think it would be this one. I just really love how it makes my skin look. It looks like I got money in the bank. I know it's not as red. I know it gives contour vibes. I actually ended up loving it a whole lot more than I could have imagined. So yeah, this was a pleasant surprise for the month. Now we're gonna move on to the Fenty Cheeks Out cream blushes. I got Daiquiri Deep, and I also got Summertime Wine. Now this is Daiquiri Deep. I tend to call it Daiquiri Drip. It's kind of a coral orangey color, and then you have Summertime Wine. I fell in love with Summertime Wine just watching reviews only, and when I tested it out, well, let's just test it out and see. I'm gonna put Summertime Wine on this side and Daiquiri Deep on this side. Now, I find that this applies perfectly if you're just using your fingertips, but you just gotta be careful and just make sure you're applying an even layer of blush. You don't want to have too much blush on some parts and then nothing at all on the others. Now, this works as well. You can also use a brush if you prefer, but I have tried using a brush. I don't think I have the best brushes for a cream blush. I'm gonna look into getting that. I probably get the Fenty one because I've been eyeing it for the longest time. I'm not sure if you guys can see the color. I think I'm gonna go in with another round of the blush just because I don't see it on camera. I just don't see it as much, but this is what it looks like. It is absolutely beautiful. I love that all the cream products Fenty Beauty release have kind of like a sheen to them. They kind of give you like this glow, effortless glow, and they make your skin look like skin. Like, this is absolutely beautiful. This is, I'd say, one of the most beautiful blushes I I have tried, and I am not even a blush person, but I am wowed. That's how serious this is. It's just beautiful. The way it just sinks into my skin, I can't explain, guys. You have to try it out for yourself to kind of get it. This part just looks happy, like I kind of won the lottery, and this part is like just dragging it down, dragging me down. I love it. I just love it. Like, my cheeks have never looked happier. They've never felt happier either. I'm gonna try Daiquiri Deep. So Daiquiri Deep and Summertime Wine. Clearly, Summertime Wine wins. I don't know, there's just something about this color. I don't know. I think it's really flattering. I had way more expectations for Daiquiri Deep in terms of the color. It just doesn't look as orange as I'd like it to look, but I do believe there's another orange one she released. I didn't get it because I didn't think it would match my complexion, but I think I'm gonna go back and grab that one and grab Fuego too as well. If you guys have been contemplating getting these blushes, I would say get it. The bronzers, not everyone's cup of tea, but the blushes, guys, I'm pretty sure you guys would love it. Now I'm just gonna cover up Daiquiri Deep with Summertime Wine just because I can't have two different blushes on my cheeks, and I don't feel like cleaning up my makeup and starting all over again. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of Summertime Wine. Now I have dry skin, but this area of my face gets a little bit oily, so I'm just gonna set the cream blush just with a nude blush. I'm gonna be using this one here, and this is the BH Cosmetics Nude Blush Palette. Now I'm gonna move on to lips. I'm gonna be lining my lips with the MAC Chestnut Pencil. Now for my lips, I'm gonna be using these lip glosses. Well, not all of them. I'm gonna be using these glosses from Anastasia Beverly Hills. You get the 4 mini lipsticks in a pack. We got Sparklelava. I think this one's one of my favorites. It has a lot of shimmers in it, and this is what it looks like. And then we have Nood. I've used this one. It's just a nude lip gloss, really. I don't really care for the color. I think I have better nudes, but it's not a bad nude. Okay, now I haven't tried this one. I don't know why. This one's called Bella. I think I'm gonna use this one today. It seems a lot richer than the nude. It's a pink or nude pink gloss. And then we have Peachyyy. I'm just applying Bella. She's beautiful. I really love this combination. I think I really love the MAC Chestnut Pencil and the Bella, but I'm just gonna add a little bit of Peachyyy just because I want to see what it looks like. Oh, okay. Okay, so Peachyyy is not bad, but I think in terms of the shine or the glitter lip glosses, I think I prefer Sparklelava. Oh my god, I think my lips look so good. I can't stop looking at them. Tiny, just a really tiny bit of stickiness, but nothing too bad that I'm gonna complain about. Now I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my face. I don't have a new highlighter, unfortunately, this month. I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This has been through thick and thin with me, and it's still one of my favorite highlighters. So yeah, I haven't used it in a minute, so let's give it a little bit of love today. I just forgot to spritz my face first. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. That's it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I hope you also found something that you'd like to try or you'd like to put on your wish list from this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a like, as it helps the channel grow. And since you've made it to the end of the video, you might as well just go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Join the fam and make sure to turn on your notifications so you're notified every time I post a new video. And with that being said, thank you guys so much. I will catch you guys in my next video.